Hello everyone, my name is Dwayanadi Wirajaya. I am from culinary program at Royal Bali College. In here, I explain about Aan Secret Waterfall, and this is Aan Secret Waterfall.
To get to the waterfall location, you need to walk down the cliff with a number of stairs.
And location of Aan Secret Waterfall in the Aan village, Banjarangka district, Klungkung Regency, Bali. The distance from city center of Semarapura is about 6 km. It only take about 15 minutes of driving.
Besides going down the cliff, you also have to walk down the river. Besides the waterfall, here you can also find several springs.
Hello guys, this is a main waterfall in Aan Secret Waterfall. Alternate destination of Aan Secret Waterfall is located in Klungkung Regency, present a calm impression. Along the way, you can find shady trees that shade the ice. Many hidden places that are rarely visited by tourists on the Bali Island. Aan Secret Waterfall is a clear evidence of phenomena of so many beautiful tourist destinations that are still hidden. And since that it has been transformed into tourist destination that is full of visitors. However, Aan Secret Waterfall offers a fantastic selfie location. Well, that's all about Aan Secret Waterfall. Thank you for watching and see you.